Hi folks, to add a social icon to the top menu bar, open the library, file, folder, the shared, and the header page. Put it in code view, scroll down to the social icons comment tag section right here at the bottom. Copy an existing icon and place it and paste it where you want the new icon to show. So in this case, we'll add it to the end of the list. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I see the social icons. This is an entire icon class and all its goodies. I want to add a new one. So what I'm going to do is just give myself, at the end of this comment tag, I'm just going to space this out a little bit more. I want to give myself a little bit of room to work with. I'm going to copy the entire tag and I'm going to paste it below. So there are three things I need to update once I've copied and pasted. First of all is the title of the tag. If I'm going to be using, say, something from Pinterest, I don't want it to say follow us on Instagram when I hover over the icon in my browser. So maybe just follow us on Pinterest. Okay, that's the first piece. The second piece is the actual link. Now this is one of those, you don't need to be an HTML person, but it's best, and you can only really do this in the HTML view, and that is replace the link with your own. My little trick to doing this to make sure I get the right one without typos is I physically pull that page up in my browser first. So if this is my Pinterest page right here, I'm going to grab the link right here. I'm going to copy it from the address bar, go to Dreamweaver, and replace this entire link in between the double quotes. Don't knock those out of place, but everything between the double quotes, paste in the new link, just like so. Okay, the next step is changing the icon. We just copied a previous social icon, so we need to update the actual icon class it's showing. To do that, we want to go to the Font Awesome website. So you can either just Google it or go to fontawesome.com. Go to Icons and search for the icon you want to use. We're using Pinterest as an example, so we'll type into the box here. And something to know about Font Awesome before we go any further is if you see an icon that is light gray or grayed out, those are for pro versions only. And you have to subscribe or pay for that. We don't use that. We just use the free open source version. So anything you see that's a dark gray, that can be used. So we'll just do a search for Pinterest. And anything we can use will show up as a dark gray. Anything we can't will be grayed out, like I mentioned. I want to use this round circle one here. So I'm just going to click it to go to the actual page where I can copy the code. There it is there. All I need to do at this point is click this little icon class like so. It's copied to my clipboard. I can now go back to Dreamweaver. I would take this entire icon class right here. I'm just going to scrub over it like so and paste in the new one, just like that. So I've updated the title, I've updated the link, and I've updated the icon type.